traditional bakery recipes from France. Imagine the warm, inviting aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from a Parisian boulangerie, the delicate scent of sweet pastries mingling with the rich fragrance of brewing coffee. This isn't just a sensory experience, it's an invitation into a world steeped in history, artistry, and a deep-seated passion for perfection. French baking, or pâtisserie and boulangerie, is a cornerstone of the nation's culinary identity, a tradition honed over centuries and celebrated globally. From the flaky layers of a croissant to the elegant structure of an opera cake, each creation tells a story of meticulous technique, regional heritage, and the finest ingredients. The journey into French baking is a discovery of how simple elements like flour, butter, sugar, and eggs can be transformed into edible masterpieces that delight the senses and capture the heart. It's a craft where precision meets passion, where ancient recipes are preserved with reverence, and where innovation continues to flourish, ensuring that these timeless classics remain as beloved today as they were generations ago. The soul of a French bakery begins with its bread. The iconic baguette, with its crisp, golden crust and soft, airy interior, is a symbol of French daily life. The magic lies in its simplicity, just flour, water, yeast, and salt. However, achieving the perfect baguette is an art form that requires a deep understanding of fermentation, precise kneading techniques, and the skilled use of a steam-injected oven to create that signature crust. Beyond the baguette, French boulangerie offers a rich tapestry of bread varieties. There's the rustic, hearty pain de campage, or country bread, often made with a blend of white and whole wheat or rye flour, offering a denser crumb and a more complex, slightly tangy flavor from its sourdough starter. Another classic is the fougasse, a flatbread from Provence, often sculpted to resemble an ear of wheat and studded with olives, herbs, or cheese. Each region boasts its own specialty, a testament to the local terroir and baking traditions passed down through families. These breads are not just food. They are the foundation of meals, the perfect accompaniment to cheese and wine, and a daily ritual for millions. Moving from the savory to the sweet, we enter the realm of viennoiserie, the category of baked goods that bridges the gap between bread and pastry. The undisputed king is the croissant, a masterpiece of lamination where layers of dough and butter are folded repeatedly to create a honeycomb-like structure that is both impossibly flaky and tender. The process is laborious and demands a cool environment and a gentle hand, but the result is a buttery melt-in-your-mouth crescent that is pure bliss. Its rectangular cousin, the pain au chocolat, tucks one or two batons of dark chocolate within its buttery layers, offering a perfect marriage of flaky pastry and rich cocoa. Then there is the brioche, a bread enriched with generous amounts of butter and eggs, giving it a wonderfully soft, fluffy texture and a rich, slightly sweet flavor. Whether shaped into a classic Parisian tête or a simple loaf, brioche is a versatile treat, perfect on its own for breakfast or used as the base for decadent French toast or bread pudding. These morning pastries are more than just a sweet start to the day. They are an affordable luxury, a small indulgence that embodies the French appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of French baking, the pâtisserie. This is where the pastry chef, or pâtissier, showcases their full range of artistry and technical skill. The éclair, a delicate choux pastry finger filled with flavored cream and topped with a glistening glaze, is a timeless favorite. The millefeuille, meaning 1,000 leaves, lives up to its name with its delicate layers of crisp puff pastry alternating with rich pastry cream, a testament to precision and texture. And no discussion of French pastry would be complete without mentioning these small, jewel-like cookies, with their smooth, crisp shells and chewy centers, sandwiching a flavorful ganache or buttercream, are as beautiful as they are delicious. From the grand multi-layered gâteau opera, with its intense coffee and chocolate flavors, to the simple, elegant lemon tart with a perfectly brown meringue, French pâtisserie is a celebration of flavor, texture, and visual beauty. Each dessert is a miniature work of art, a carefully constructed balance of sweetness, acidity, and richness designed to create a moment of pure, unadulterated delight. Traditional bakery recipes from France.